Hello, and welcome to the first episode of the Traffic Awareness Center podcast. I'm your host, Mokshaj. Now, before we dive in, let me tell you a bit about who we are and what we wish to do. The Traffic Awareness Center is an initiative led by Grade 12 of the Riverside School in Ahmedabad. Our end goal is to decrease the amount of rash driving going on in the city and raise awareness regarding the traffic regulations of Ahmedabad. In this episode, we'll talk about the what and why behind rash driving. While it is common to believe that rash driving only entails crashing into other vehicles and driving above the speed limit, that is only partially true. In theory, rash driving pertains to tailgating, which is to drive too close to another vehicle, failure to use the turn signals, not obeying traffic lights, overspeeding, and a lot more. But let's avoid jumping into the specifics. The why behind our initiative is rather obvious. According to a survey that we conducted recently, nearly 70% of people believe that rash driving only occurs due to people being in a hurry. And over 95% of people have faced rash driving around them often. On analyzing this issue, we realized that awareness regarding rash driving and regulations was lacking. In the next episode, we'll be coming back to you with 7 traffic rules you may not know about. For more information regarding our initiative and our upcoming episodes, follow our Instagram, that is traffic_awareness_center, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is once again traffic_awareness_center. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to tune in next week for the next episode.